Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify gift card balances after reconciliation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring Shopify gift card balances after reconciliation, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section on the left-hand side. Click on gift cards to access your existing gift cards. Identify the gift card balance that needs to be restored. Select the specific gift card by clicking on its title. In the gift card details page, locate the balance section. Click on the Adjust Balance option. Enter the amount to restore in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the amount for accuracy. After entering the amount, provide a reason for the adjustment in the comments section. This helps maintain clear records for future reference. Once everything is confirmed, click the Save button to update the balance. Repeat these steps for any additional gift cards that require balance restoration. After restoring all necessary balances, review the gift card report for accuracy. Go to the Reports section in your Shopify admin. Select gift cards to generate a report of current balances. Ensure the restored balances reflect correctly in the report. If discrepancies arise, revisit the adjustments made. Maintain a clear record of all adjustments for future audits. With restored balances confirmed, notify relevant team members of the updates. Following these steps will help ensure your Shopify gift card balances are accurately reconciled and restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.